G'day, I'm Dr. Kate from Bush Blitz, and today I'm talking to Dr. Jodi Rowley about how to find frogs. Over to you, Jodi.
Hi, I'm Dr. Jodi Rowley and I'm a frog biologist at the Australian Museum and University of New South Wales. And when I'm in the field on bush blitzes or in search of frogs somewhere else, one of the easiest ways to find frogs is by their call. Each species of frog has a different call. It's male frogs calling to female frogs to attract the females to them, and so they don't want to get it wrong. So simply by listening out, you can tell what different species are around you. Now, while you're at home, and while I'm stuck at home as well, one of the best things you can do is exactly the same. You can listen out for frogs. And one of the great things is that you can actually download the free Frog ID app, which is led by the Australian Museum, and you can record the noises, the calls of frogs in your backyard, or if you're able to go for a walk around the block or somewhere safely away from other people. And you can make a real contribution to our understanding of frogs and hopefully towards their conservation. So simply by recording the noises, I actually am next to a pond right here. There's striped marsh frogs in here, and they make a noise something like a tennis ball being hit. So bok, bok, bok. So just by recording that noise, you're able to help understand where our frogs are and how they're doing, even if it's just in your backyard. A pro tip is that most frog species call at night. And if it's rained recently, that's usually even better. You might also have to turn your torch off or a light if you walk out towards a pond or in your backyard, because frogs are sometimes quite sensitive. So you might end up standing there in the dark recording frogs.
Brilliant, thanks for that, Jodi. Now, I'm not quite as lucky to have a pond in my backyard, so I've come out to the local nature reserve. It's about 5 minutes before sunset, so let's see how we go. Righto, it's nice and dark now. I'm going to turn off my head torch and have a little listen. Wish me luck. So the whistling tree frog is the one that sounds a bit like he's saying, tree, 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 tree. And the common eastern froglet is the one that sounds a bit like marbles hitting together. Bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, bing bong. Wow, I can't believe I found two species of frog, the common eastern froglet and the whistling tree frog. I really enjoyed doing this. I used Frog ID to help me identify them. And as always, please share them with us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. I can't wait to see what you guys find.